So welcome back to another episode of Privacy News. So nandito na naman po tayo no para may pag-usapan, syempre. So kanina habang nag-scroll ako, parang may nabasa ako dun na data privacy versus data security, no. So naghanap ako ng article. So may nakita naman akong article, no. So bago ko sabihin sa inyo kung ano yung nilalaman ng article na yon, ano muna ang pinagkaiba ng data privacy at data security. So, data privacy concerns the proper handling, processing, and storage of personal information, ensuring that individuals' data is used in the ways that we have consent, no? So, ano naman ang data security? Data security involves the protecting data from the unauthorized access, breaches, and other threats to its confidentiality, integrity, and availability, no? So, ano naman yung article na nahanap ko, no? So, ano bang title ng article na yun? So, data security versus data privacy, an imperative distinction to data to protect data by Stealth Labs. So, what is ano nga ba tong nilalaman na itong article na to, no? What is the article all about, no? So, the article discussed the growing challenges that organizations face in protecting data privacy and security in today's complex digital landscape. It highlights the increasing volume of data organizations handle the diverse computing environments like cloud, data centers, IoT devices, and expanding attack surface, which makes monitoring and securing data more difficult. So, data security focus on protecting information from unauthorized access, breaches, and cyber attacks, ensuring data accuracy, reliability, and availability for unauthorized users. For authorized users, sorry. It includes practice like encryption, data erasure, access control, breaches response, and multi-factor authentication. So, data privacy refers to the policies and regulations governing how personal identifiable information or PII and proprietary information are collected, stored, and shared in accordance with individuals' consent and preferences. So, unorganized can have a strong data security measures in place, yet still violate the data privacy if the data is collected or handled improperly. For instance, the data may be encrypted by protected from unauthorized access, but if it's gathered without the proper consent, the organization fails to meet privacy standards. So this distinction emphasizes that while the data security is crucial, true the data privacy cannot be achieved without it. So to effectively protect information and meet legal obligations, or organization must implement both the data security and privacy measures with their data governance framework. So that's the that's the article all about, no? So nag-imbita ako ng apat na tao para sumagot sa dalawa kong katanungan lamang, no? So ang inimbitahan ko pala ay si Miss Rachel Regala, si Mr. Mark Angelo Bangkal, Miss Princess Mamison, and Miss Flor de Lisa. So, the first question is, why do you think it is important to know the differences between data security and data privacy based on the article, no? So, Miss Rachel Ann Regala, can you answer this?
Recognizing the distinction helps organizations develop more comprehensive data governance strategies, while data security focuses on preventing unauthorized access, breaches, and loss. Data privacy centers on controlling how data is collected, shared, and used. By understanding the unique requirements of both, companies can implement policies that protect not only the data itself but also the rights and preferences of individuals, leading to a more holistic approach to data protection.
Oh, so thank you, Miss Rachel Ann Regala. So, next po natin is si Mr. Angelo Bangkal.
So, it's really important to know the difference between data security and data privacy. They are both about protecting information, but they are not the same thing. Data security is like locking your front door to keep intruders, while the privacy ensures that personal information is handled in accordance with individual preferences and legal requirements.
Oh, thank you for answering, Sir Angelo Bangkal, no? Si Miss Mamison naman.
Based on the article, data security versus data privacy, understanding the difference between the data security and data privacy is crucial for several reasons. So first is distinct focus areas. So data security focuses on protecting data from unauthorized access, breaches, and cyber attacks, ensuring data integrity, confidentiality, and availability. In contrast, data privacy is about managing how personal information is collected, stored, shared, and used, ensuring compliance with laws and respecting individuals' preferences. Next is regulatory compliance. Data privacy laws like GDPR, CCPA, and HIPAA impose strict standards on how personal data should be held. So third is effective data governance. Organization needs to implement both data security and data privacy policies to create a robust data governance strategy. This helps in preventing data breaches and ensuring that personal information is held appropriately. So lastly is risk management. Knowing the difference helps in identifying and mitigating risks more effectively. For instance, an organization might have strong data security measures but could still violate privacy policy if it mishandled personal data.
Oh, thank you for answering, Miss Princess Mamison, no? Ang last po natin is si Miss Flor de Lisa.
The articles data security versus data privacy and imperative distinction to protect data by Stealth Love discussing the crucial difference in interplay between data security and data privacy. While these terms are often used interchangeably, they use distinct aspects of information management. The article underlines that while both concepts aim to protect data, security addresses the technical side and privacy focuses on ethical and legal management. Both are critical in building trust and applying regulation in today's data-driven environment. It's important to know the difference between data security and data privacy is crucial because they focus on distinct aspects of protecting data. Data security safeguards data from unauthorized access and breaches, while data privacy ensures personal data is collected, used, and shared ethically. Knowing this distinction helps organizations comply with legal requirements like GDPR, manage risk effectively, and build trust with users by protecting data both technically and ethically.
So, thank you for answering, no, Miss Flor de Lisa. So, I have last one question, no? So, do you agree with the article? Why or why not? So, Miss Rachel Anregala, what is your answer?
The reason that I agree is that the article emphasizes the need for a comprehensive data governance strategy that addresses both security and privacy. Organizations are often under the false impression that securing their data automatically guarantees privacy, but this is a dangerous misconception. Real-life examples like the Ascension Google case, where patient data was shared without explicit consent, demonstrate how essential it is for a organization to have clear privacy protocol in addition to security measures. This broader perspective is necessary for companies to protect individual rights while also safeguarding sensitive data.
So, thank you for answering, Miss Rachel Anregalo. So, next po natin is si Mr. Angelo Bangkal.
I think the article is spot on. It accurately highlights the importance of between data security and data privacy. So data security is essential for protecting data from threats, but it does not guarantee data privacy. So it always need to implement both data security and measures to comply with regulation, protect their reputation, and maintain trust with their customers and employees.
So thank you for answering Mr. Angelo Bangkal, no? Next one po natin is si Miss Princess Mamison.
Do I agree with the article? Yes, I agree with the article. The distinction between data security and data privacy is essential for several reasons. Comprehensive protection. Understanding both concepts ensure that organization can protect data from unauthorized access while also respecting individuals' privacy rights. This dual approach is necessary for comprehensive data protection. Next is regulatory adherence. With increasing regulations around data privacy, it's vital for organizations to distinguish between security and privacy, to comply with legal requirements and avoid hefty fines. And lastly, trust building. Clear policies on data security and privacy help build trust with customers and stakeholders as they feel more confident that their data is being held responsibly.
So, thank you for answering Miss Princess Mamison, no. So, last natin is si Miss Flor de Lisa.
Yes, I agree with the article's distinction between data security and data privacy. Both are essential but serve different purposes. Data security focuses on the technical measures needed to protect data from breaches or unauthorized access, such as encryption and firewalls. Data privacy, however, is about the ethical handling of personal information, ensuring individuals have control over their data and its use according to legal standards like GDPR and CCPA. The distinction is crucial because focusing on one without the other can lead to serious risks. Understanding both help organizations build trust with customers, ensure legal compliance, and develop more robust data management strategies.
So, maraming salamat sa pagsagot, no? Miss Flor de Lisa. So, maraming salamat din sa inyo dahil pinanyanyahan nyo na naman ang aking imbita, no, sa inyo. So, ano nga ba ang takeaway natin dito, no? To safeguard information and meet regulatory requirements, organization must integrate both data security and privacy measure within their data governance strategies. It is not just about protecting the data from outside threats, it's also about ensuring the data is collected, used, and shared responsibly and with proper consent, no? So, hanggang dun lang guys ang ating episode na naman ng ating privacy news. So, thank you for watching guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.